Imagine this. You're in a store. You pick up something you like. You look at the price tag. $24.99. Wait, is that $24 or $24.99? And how do you even say that out loud? Numbers in English can feel surprisingly tricky, especially prices, especially when someone says them fast. Maybe you've stood at a checkout, heard a number, and just nodded, hoping you handed over enough money. We've all been there. If numbers and prices make you a little nervous, today's episode is exactly what you need. Hello, and welcome back to English Journey Studio. This is day 4 of your 30-day English journey. 3 days down, 27 to go. Right now, you are moving from A1 toward B1, step by step, episode by episode. And numbers are everywhere. Prices, addresses, phone numbers, time. Once numbers feel easy, so much of daily life in English gets easier too. Today, Sarah goes shopping for a birthday gift, and along the way, you'll learn exactly how Americans talk about money and prices. One more step from A1 to B1. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is Monday evening. Sarah is walking home from work, thinking about her friend Maya. Maya's birthday is this Saturday. I should get her something nice, Sarah thinks. Maybe a scarf. She loves scarves. There's a small shop near Sarah's apartment, the kind of shop that sells gifts, candles, jewelry, and other small, lovely things. Sarah decides to stop in on her way home. A bell rings softly as she opens the door. Inside, the shop smells like lavender and vanilla. Soft music is playing. On the door, Sarah notices a small sign with the shop's hours. Open, Monday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Sunday, 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. In English, we usually say times like this. 10 a.m. means 10 o'clock in the morning. 7 p.m. means 7 o'clock in the evening. Means before noon, from midnight to 12 o'clock. p.m. means afternoon, from 12 o'clock to midnight. Good, they're open until 7, Sarah thinks, glancing at her watch. It's 6:15, plenty of time. Hi, let me know if you need any help, says the shop owner, a woman with short, curly hair and glasses. Thank you, I'm just looking for now, Sarah replies. Sarah walks slowly around the shop. She sees candles, small notebooks, handmade jewelry, postcards with pictures of New York, and a shelf full of soft, colorful scarves. She picks up a deep blue scarf. It's soft, probably wool, or maybe a wool blend. A blend means a mixture of 2 or more materials. Sarah looks at the price tag. $22, it says. In English, we usually say prices like this. $22. Simple. The number, then the word dollars. But what about prices with cents? Cents are the small units of money. $1 equals 100 cents. If something costs $22.50, we usually say $22.50. Or, a little more formally, $22.50. Sarah continues looking around. She finds a second scarf, a lighter gray one, with small flowers on it. The price tag says $18.75. $18.75. Sarah reads quietly. Sarah holds both scarves, the deep blue one and the light gray one. She thinks. Which one does Maya need? I mean, which one would like more? She catches her own mistake and smiles. Need, like small words, but they mean very different things. The shop owner walks over. Those are both lovely. Is it for a gift? Yes, my friend's birthday is this Saturday, Sarah says. The blue one is $22 and the gray one is $18.75. Both are 100% wool. Percent means out of 100. So 100% wool means the whole thing is wool, nothing else mixed in. If something were 50% cotton and 50% wool, that would mean half cotton, half wool, an even blend. There's actually a small sale today, the shop owner adds. Everything in this section is 20% off. Off means the price is reduced. You pay less than the original price. Oh, nice. So how much would the blue one be then? Sarah asks. The shop owner picks up a small calculator from the counter. Let's see. $22 minus 20%. That would be about $17.60. Sarah does some quick math in her head. 20% of $22 is about $4.40. 22 minus 440 equals $17.60. And the gray one? Sarah asks. $18.75 minus 20%, that's about $15. Sarah thinks for a moment. The blue one is a little more, but I think Maya would really love that color. Take your time, the shop owner says kindly, and walks back to the counter. Sarah holds up the blue scarf again, near the window. The afternoon light makes the blue look even richer. This one, she decides. Maya's favorite color is blue. I remember now. She puts the gray scarf back on the shelf, carefully. Before going to the counter, Sarah notices a small basket of candles nearby. A little sign says, "Buy 2, save $5." That means if you buy 2 candles, you save $5 off the total price. Sarah checks the price of 1 candle, $12 each. So 2 candles would normally be $24. With the discount, 2 candles would be $19. A discount is the amount of money taken off the original price. Maybe 1 candle for myself too, Sarah thinks, smiling. She picks up 2 candles, one with a vanilla scent and one with a fresh citrus scent. On her way to the counter, Sarah passes the postcards she saw earlier. Each postcard shows a different part of New York: the Brooklyn Bridge, Central Park, the subway. A small sign says, "Postcards minus $2 each, or 3 for $5. Sarah does some quick math. 1 postcard is $2, 2 postcards would be $4, but 3 postcards, with the special price, are only $5. That's basically getting the third one for $1, Sarah realizes. Might as well get 3. She picks 3 postcards, 1 for her mom, 1 for Priya, and 1 to keep for herself. Sarah walks to the counter with the blue scarf, the 2 candles, and the 3 postcards. Did you find everything okay? The shop owner asks. Yes, thank you. I'll take this scarf, these 2 candles, and these 3 postcards. The shop owner scans each item. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, let's see your total. The scarf, with the discount, is $17.60. The 2 candles, with the discount, are $19. And the 3 postcards are $5. So, $17.60 plus 19 plus 5, that's $41.60 before tax. Tax is a small extra amount added to the price, money that goes to the government. In New York, tax is usually a little over 8%. With tax, your total comes to $45.03. Before I forget, The shop owner says, "Would you like to join our rewards program? It's free, and you get points for every purchase." A rewards program is a system where stores give you points or discounts for shopping with them regularly. How does it work? Sarah asks. For every dollar you spend, you get 1 point. Once you reach 100 points, you get $5 off your next purchase. Sarah does the math quickly. $45 today means 45 points. Not bad for a first visit, she thinks. Sure, why not? Sarah says. Great, I just need your phone number. Sarah gives her number slowly, 1 digit at a time. A digit is a single number, from 0 to 9. A phone number in America usually has 10 digits, 3 for the area code, and 7 more after that. It's 347-555-0162. In English, phone numbers are usually said one number at a time, not as big numbers like 347, and 0 is often said as O in phone numbers, so 0162 can also sound like 0162. The shop owner types it into the register. Got it, 347-555-0162. Perfect. Sarah opens her wallet. She has 2 $20 bills, a 5, a 1, and a small handful of coins. A bill is paper money. In America, common bills are $1, $5, $10, $20, and $50. I'll pay with cash, Sarah says, and counts out 2 $20 bills, a $5 bill, and a $1 bill. That's $46 total. The shop owner takes the money and opens the register. A register is the machine a store uses to handle money and print receipts. $46. Your total was $45.03, so your change is 97 cents. Change is the money you get back when you pay more than the total. The shop owner counts out the coins carefully. 3 quarters, 2 dimes, and 2 pennies. That's 97 cents. In American money, a penny is 1 cent, a nickel is 5 cents, a dime is 10 cents, and a quarter is 25 cents. Sarah takes the change and puts it in her pocket. The shop owner carefully wraps the blue scarf in soft tissue paper and places it, along with the 2 candles and 3 postcards, into a small paper bag. There you go. I hope your friend loves it. Thank you so much. I think she will, Sarah says, smiling. As Sarah turns to leave, the shop owner adds, "Oh, one more thing. Here's a coupon for 10% off your next visit." A coupon is a small piece of paper that gives you a discount on a future purchase. "Oh, that's so kind. Thank you," Sarah says, slipping it into her wallet. She steps outside, the small paper bag swinging gently in her hand. Maya's going to love this, she thinks, smiling all the way home. And honestly, Sarah feels pretty good about something else, too. A few weeks ago, prices like $22.50 or 20% off might have made her pause and think for a second. Tonight, the numbers just made sense. That's how a language grows, not all at once, but one small moment at a time. And that is the end of today's story. Sarah found the perfect birthday gift, compared prices, understood a discount, paid with cash, and even got a coupon for next time, all in clear, simple English. Let's review some of the key words and phrases from today's episode. A blend, a mixture of 2 or more materials. Percent, out of 100. Off, when a price is reduced. A discount, the amount taken off the original price. Tax, a small extra amount added to a price. A bill, paper money. A register, the machine a store uses for money and receipts. Change, the money you get back after paying. Penny, nickel, dime, quarter, 1, 5, 10, and 25 cents. A coupon, a paper that gives a discount on a future purchase. Thank you so much for listening today. That was day 4 of 30 days from A1 to B1. Before you go, if you finished today's episode, leave a comment below and write, Day 4 done. It takes only 5 seconds, and it helps you stay on track with your 30-day English journey. I read every comment, and I love seeing your progress. Tomorrow is day 5. What day is it today? Subscribe to English Journey Studio so you never miss an episode. See you tomorrow. Keep listening, keep learning. Goodbye for now.